It's time for your latest Christmas Day weather update from the Weather Center, and it looks like it's going to be a wet one along the southwest coastline. Showers are also forecasted this afternoon over eastern South Africa, and it's going to be pretty hot this afternoon for much of KwaZulu-Natal and the Northern Cape. Now, on the latest satellite picture, we are seeing a few patches of cloud developing over the central and eastern parts of the country, but we have a lot of cloud creeping into the northern parts of Limpopo. Clear skies continue across western South Africa. However, along the southwest coastline, we have a lot of cloud building up here ahead of this cold front, which is just about to hit these parts of the country. So for the rest of your Christmas Day, it's going to be cloudy with rain along the southwest coastline. The rain spreads into the south coast as this cold front continues moving eastwards. Isolated thunder showers are forecast over much of eastern South Africa. Then on Friday, it's going to become pretty stormy across much of the interior, and as this cold front continues moving eastwards, it's going to spread rain into the south coast as well as much of the east coast. Now, we are expecting up to a 60% chance of rain this Christmas Day along the southwest coastline. The chance of rain decreases as we go further inland. Up to 40% chance of thunder showers is forecast across eastern South Africa. The South African Weather Service has issued a warning for high fire danger. Wherever you see that shade of red over the western interior, runaway fires are very possible, so you need to take care around those bright fires. If you're in Durban this afternoon, it's going to be hot, humid and stormy, as you can see here on the Metro Vision picture, so you could keep yourselves cool by drinking a lot of water, staying in the shade, or even just going to the beach. Northeasterlies are forecast for the KZN coastal areas. It's going to be pretty windy around the Cape Peninsula and the western interior, including much of the Eastern Cape as well as around Port Elizabeth. Lighter winds are forecast over the northeast. We are expecting top temperatures to shoot to around 40 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, just a degree cooler for Richards Bay. We are expecting highs in the lower 30s over much of the northeast. Bombela picking at 35, 31 in Pretoria. Johannesburg could reach a high of 29. Sizzling hot as well for much of the Northern Cape, with temperatures in the upper 30s for Kimberley and Upington. Cooler as we go towards the mother city, where a high of 23 is forecast. A warm 26 for Port Elizabeth and East London. Then on Friday, we wake up to temperatures in the mid-teens over much of southern South Africa. Cape Town and George dropping to 14 degrees, 16 for Port Elizabeth and Bishop, and it's going to stay rather warm for Durban, Richards Bay and Bombela, with the minimums in the lower 20s. 19 for the minimum in Pretoria. Johannesburg drops to 17 and a minimum of 20 is forecast for Mahikeng. Unsettled weather is forecast on Friday over much of central and eastern South Africa. Rain along the east and the south coast. Then on Saturday, thunderstorms intensify over the northeastern parts of the country. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.